Hey everybody, I'm taking a look at some of the homework questions. This is number 2, and we've got a whole bunch of countries with exponential population growth models. And the question is, which country has the greatest growth rate? So the growth rates K are right up here in the exponential functions: 0.026, 0.007, 0.016, and negative 0.07. 0.026 is greater than all the rest, so country 1 has the highest growth rate. And now it wants to know by what percentage is the population of this country increasing each year. So that means A is equal to 28.6 e to the whatever. So we'll go ahead and I've got the formula written out right here. A is equal to 28.6 e to the 0.026 t, and I need t to be equal to 1 year. So A is equal to 28.6 e to the 0.026. So I'm going to pull up my calculator, and I'm actually just going to grab it and go second e to the 0.026. And that's 1.0263. So 026. And this is increasing by not 100 but 2.6%. So this right here is my percent increase, right? Because it's 28.6 times this value, so that 2.6 is my percent increase. .6%. The population is increasing by 2.6% each year. Okay, so that answers that question. And this is number 15. It says shown to the right is a certain population in billions for several selected years from 1950 . So it says how well does the function model the data for 2004? So it's years after 1949. 2004 is 55 years. So we're going to enter this model into the calculator here. I'm going to take, let's see here, 16.72. I'm going to divide that by, use some parentheses, 1 plus 5.25 times e to the negative 0.023. And what's our time? 55 times 55. Close up the exponent, close up the denominator. This is 6.74, and this is 6.7. So to one decimal place, this rounds. 6.3 rounds to 6.7. So to one decimal place, the population accurately predicts. Again, we're talking one decimal place. It accurately predicts it. Last, I'm looking at number 17, and it says the data in the table below shows the percent of miscarriages by age. We need to create a scatter plot and then use the scatter plot to determine whether an exponential function, logarithmic function, or linear function is the best choice for modeling the data. And we've got to figure out which one of A, B, C, D is the correct scatter plot. So there's the percent from 0 to 55%, and then the age, and it's highest at 55. So this A is right out because it's not the highest at the end. It doesn't increase. So that could be C or D, but it needs to be at 53% right at 46. And B is the only one that gets that high. And we can see that right here. Here's that high age. So this is our correct model. B is our correct model. And you can see right here how it pitches upwards. B is the exponential model. It pitches upward like this. This is relatively straight through C, and D tapers off. This flattens out as it keeps going. That's logarithmic. This slope stays constant. It's linear. This slope increases. It increases very dramatically. That is an exponential model. This model is an exponential function. All right, and that wraps it up for this round of homework questions. Please ask me any questions if you have them, and I will see you next time.